Good morning to one and all. Welcome to Food Chemistry by Amruta. I hope you are liking my videos and enjoying my recipes. And if you have any suggestions or feedbacks, you mention in the comment section. Today is Saturday and today I'm going to make some waffles. So I'm not having a waffle iron, so I'm going to make use of sandwich maker, and into that I'm going to make the waffles. For the waffle we require all-purpose flour. So this is 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. This is powdered sugar. You can also use castor sugar. So I have already there at my home, so I'm going to use this. So 3 to 4 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Baking soda 3 tablespoon. Baking powder 1 to 1.5 tablespoon. Coming to the weight ingredients, this is buttermilk. So this is 1 cup of milk into which I have added lemon drops and I have kept it aside. So you require buttermilk. You can also make use of plain milk, but buttermilk will give you nice texture to your waffle. This is 3 tablespoon of oil. This is vegetable oil. It has no smell. And this is melted butter. So for waffle you require melted butter. And your basic vanilla extract. So this is the vanilla essence that we use for all sort of baking products. So let's get started quickly with the recipe. I have taken a bowl and into this we will first arrange our dry ingredients. So this maida goes here. Powder sugar. Baking powder. Baking soda. Give it a stir and simultaneously we will prepare our wet ingredients. So I have arranged my dry ingredients. Now I will come to the wet ingredients. So this is buttermilk. Into this I will be adding oil. Melted butter. So few drops of vanilla extract. So make sure you use good quality of vanilla extract. Give it a mix. Now we are ready with the dry as well as with the wet ingredients. Now it's time to mix the ingredients all together. Let's pour the wet ingredients. Give it a mix. So I'm ready with my waffle batter, and as I mentioned earlier, I will be using the sandwich maker for making this waffle. So this is my sandwich maker. I have already greased it with olive oil. You can also make use of butter. So let's pour this ingredient directly into this sandwich maker. Just pour in the center. You can give any shape you want. I'm making it kind of oval shape. So let's do that. So now I will turn on the button. Wow, so this is how it came out. Obviously it won't be in that shape, so we are using anyways sandwich maker, so this can be the shape from sandwich maker. We can properly cut it once we take it out. So similarly you can arrange the rest of the batter in your waffle maker. Here is the final outcome of my waffles. So this is it. Obviously it will not be as perfect as from the waffle iron, but it is looking yummy. And from the remaining batter I have also made the pancake, because both of the dishes make use of the same ingredients. So I'm going to start my breakfast with both of them. I hope you like my video. Please like and support to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.